Centrally located in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia, Tessie Plastics has been a manufacturer of custom injection molded plastic parts and components since 1997. With 220 employees, 40 injection molding machines, and an average annual growth rate of 15%, Tessie Plastics has determined that its future growth and success will be based on a commitment to total quality. At Tessie, quality improvement is an ongoing process involving all employees. A dedicated team working toward the common goal of satisfying our customer requirements, both internal and external. With an 88,000 square foot owned facility, Tessie is capable of supporting all molding, post-molding, quality assurance, and engineering needs. Horizontal and vertical injection molding systems range from 40 to 720 tons and include injection blow molding, insert molding, and overmolding capabilities. Our at-the-press end-of-arm automation, machining, and assembly capabilities ensure cost savings, while RJG eDart in-mold process monitoring, high-speed camera vision instruments, and SmartScope optical gauging system minimize scrap production and guarantee quality. Along with value-added services including ultrasonic welding, heat staking, pad printing, and vertical mill machining, Tessie goes beyond the industry standard in molding and post-molding technology. Our quality tools and credentials are among the best in the industry, and our in-house metrology department is staffed and equipped to perform all FAI and PPAP requirements on site. With wire EDM, high-speed milling, micro-welding, CNC lathe, and die sinker capabilities, our 8,000 square foot tool room is equipped to perform all necessary tooling maintenance, repairs, and ECN modifications, even new mold design and construction. Servicing the world's top companies and shaping innovation around the world, Tessie Plastics is your global partner for excellence.